Is buying now, paying later dead? Unpacking the future of Zip. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of buy now, pay later, BNPL, services. Specifically, we're tackling a question that's been popping up a lot lately. Is Zip Pay still a thing? For those unfamiliar, Zip Pay, now just Zip, was an Australian pioneer in the BNPL space. They offered a convenient way to split purchases into smaller installments, making it easier to manage your budget, especially for those bigger ticket items. But with so many new players entering the BNPL market these days, it's natural to wonder if the OG service is still relevant. So, is Zip still available? Absolutely. Zip is alive and kicking, offering its services across Australia, New Zealand, the US, and even parts of Europe. In fact, they've been expanding their offerings, going beyond simple split payments. Now you can use Zip to pay bills, shop online with a single-use virtual card, and even buy gift cards. It's becoming a one-stop shop for managing your finances. But what about the competition? There's no denying the BNPL landscape is crowded. We've got Afterpay, Klarna, Affirm, the list goes on. So, why choose Zip over the rest? Here's where things get interesting. Each BNPL service has its own strengths and weaknesses. Afterpay, for example, is known for its fashion-focused partnerships, while Klarna might be a better fit for bigger ticket purchases with longer repayment periods. Here's where Zip shines. They offer a great balance between flexibility and responsible spending. Their repayment terms are generally shorter than some competitors, which can help you avoid accruing interest charges. Plus, they have a transparent fee structure, so you know exactly what you're getting into before you commit. But BNPL isn't without its critics. There are concerns about overspending and getting into debt. It's important to remember, BNPL is a tool, and like any tool, it can be misused. The key is to be responsible and use it strategically. Here are some tips. Budget first, always plan your purchases and make sure they fit within your overall budget. Avoid impulse buys. BNPL can make things seem more affordable than they are. Don't get caught up in the instant gratification trap. Pay on time. Missing payments can lead to late fees and damage your credit score. If you're considering using Zip or any BNPL service, do your research, understand the terms and conditions, and most importantly, use it responsibly. So, to answer our original question, is Zip Pay still available? Not quite. But Zip is very much alive and well, offering a streamlined and responsible way to manage your finances. Of course, the BNPL space is constantly evolving. New regulations, features, and competitors are popping up all the time. We'll be sure to keep you updated on all the latest developments. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.